In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your Airtable base with others. By the end, you'll know exactly how to invite collaborators securely and choose the right level of access for each person. First, head to the Airtable website in your browser. If you aren't already signed in, log into your account so you can access your workspaces and bases. Make sure you're in the correct workspace if you have more than one, so you don't accidentally share the wrong content. Next, open the base you want to share. Take a moment to confirm you've selected the right base, especially if you manage several with similar names. It's helpful to glance at a few key tables or views inside to be sure you're in the correct place. Now look for the Share button, typically in the upper right corner of the screen. Click it to open the Sharing panel. This panel is where you can invite individuals directly or create a link to share with a broader audience. To invite someone by email, type their address into the field provided. Double-check spelling. Small typos can send access to the wrong person. If your organization uses specific work emails, use those to keep permissions easy to manage. Before sending the invite, choose the correct permission level. Viewer is the safest choice when someone only needs to look at data without changing anything. Commenter can leave feedback but can't edit records. Editor can add and modify records, which is powerful, but should be limited to trusted collaborators. Some plans include higher-level roles with more administrative control. Match the level to the person's responsibilities to protect your data. When everything looks right, click Send Invite. The person will get an email prompting them to accept, and if they're new to Airtable, they may be guided to create or sign into an account before they can access the base. If you prefer not to invite individuals, you can generate a share link instead. Copy the link and send it through your preferred channel. Be mindful that anyone with the link and the right permission setting can access the base, so keep link permissions as limited as possible and disable the link later if it's no longer needed. Finally, review your access settings to confirm everything is correct. Check the list of invited collaborators and the status of any share links. A quick review helps ensure the right people have the right access and your data stays secure.